If you're experiencing frame stuttering in FIFA 24, follow these steps to help unlock smoother gameplay. This guide will walk you through various adjustments to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can significantly improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Enable VSync. In the graphics settings, enable VSync to help synchronize the frame rate of the game with your monitor's refresh rate. This can help eliminate screen tearing and reduce stuttering during gameplay. Step 4. Optimize game mode. If you're playing on a console, switch to performance mode if available. This mode prioritizes frame rate over graphics quality, which can lead to a smoother gaming experience. Step 5. Close background applications. Before launching FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that consume a lot of system resources can affect game performance, so ensure that only essential applications are open. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate frame stuttering in FIFA 24, leading to a more enjoyable gaming experience. Happy gaming!